I want you to speak slowly.
Dwi'n moyn I ti siarad yn araf.
I want you to speak Welsh with me now.
Dwi'n moyn I ti siarad Gymraeg gyda fi nawr!
Bore da, boneddigion a boneddigesau.
Be sy'n occuro?
O'n i ddim yn gwybod bod ti'n siarad Cymraeg.
Wel, dwi'n dysgu. O, dwi'n joio fy'n hunan.
Helo, shwmae, sut ydych chi? Dwi'n dechrau meddwl yn Gymraeg.
I think I'd like to help you.
Dwi'n meddwl bod hoffen I dy helpu di.
Hoffen I dy helpu di.
There you go. And that little bit of competitive edge that you've got there, that's really great.
Do you need to speak with me?
Oes eisiau ti siarad gyda fi?
Oes eisiau ti siarad gyda fi?
Absolutely nailed that, and it's that tricky pattern. And instead of looking proud, you just went, yeah, okay, I just won't.
It's because of the eisiau. I still want to go, oes angen dy ti siarad gyda fi?
Yeah.
I still want to say that, so it's kind of like...
So you're correcting in real time and still getting it right. Then you're as if you're almost willing to give yourself a tiny pat on the back, but don't really deserve it, because that is fist pump stuff.
I'm sorry, but I didn't understand what you said.
Mae'n ddrwg dy fi, ond nes I ddim deall beth wedes di.
Oh, da iawn, da iawn.
Mae'n ddrwg dy fi, ond nes I ddim deall beth wedes ti. Mae'n ddrwg dy fi, ond nes I ddim deall beth wedes ti. I want you to speak slowly.
Diolch yn fawr. Dwi moyn I ti siarad yn araf.
Da iawn.
I want you to speak more slowly.
Dwi moyn I ti siarad yn arafach.
Oh, da iawn, da iawn,
Dwi'n
da iawn.
moyn I ti siarad yn arafach.
And now it's a sort of little thing, it's a little curveball, but very deliberate, that you really almost hadn't done that previously. You've done bach yn arafach or yn araf, so your ability to get rid of the bach, so
Yeah.
that was
Oh,
that was
good.
another genuine fist bump moment.